TARS is a Chinese robotics startup that has unveiled a new humanoid robot capable of performing hand embroidery, a significant advancement in the field of AI-driven robotics. During a live event, the robot executed the delicate, long-sequence task of threading a needle and stitching a logo with both hands. In fact, after the embroidery demo, TARS demonstrated assembling complex wire harnesses without human help. The robots sport 5-fingered dexterous hands with built-in tactile sensors and advanced force control algorithms, housing over 30 degrees of freedom across the body, with more than 16 degrees of freedom concentrated in each hand. Additionally, the sensor suite includes stereoscopic RGBD cameras and an IMU for balance, giving the robot the ability to truly see thread and fabric and to feel tension in real time. Unfortunately, TARS hasn't disclosed its onboard processor, GPU, or battery specs. However, TARS says that the system must process high-resolution depth maps, tactile matrices, and language tokens simultaneously, requiring an estimated compute power exceeding 1,000 tera operations per second. The robotics firm uses its human-centric Sense Hub platform to collect detailed operational data from real environments. This data is then used to train the TARS 2.0 AI World Engine, an embodied AI model designed to learn general physical skills rather than single tasks. As for the price, the company has not announced any commercial pricing yet, meaning the robots are still essentially prototypes.